think we're gonna get out. Next, now you're gonna add in your glitter. A little bit at a time. Right here. There. Okay, mix it up with your spoon. Keep mixing it. Mix it hard. Is it getting harder to mix? Makes it hard. That's it. So the clear glue was a fail, so now we're gonna try to do the white one. Fluffy slime. The bowl.
Who farted?
Daddy, who farted? Okay, I think that's as much as we're gonna get out. Now we're gonna add the shaving cream. A lot. And we can add some more after. I don't want this one yet. We're gonna do the glitter at the end. Let's go there. Right there. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. So that's a lot of fluffy slime. It is. Oh, now it's coming off the bowl a little. No, I think we should go. I'm gonna go with my hands. Alright. I'm gonna mix it a tiny bit more, and then I'm gonna go in with my hands. And then I'm gonna go in with my hands. After. Do you want to add the glitter in first, and then we'll go in with our hands? No. Should we add the glitter in first, and then we'll go with our hands? No. Alright, we're gonna go with our hands now. Let's get off the spoon. We're gonna put the glitter in last. But not with the spoon. Try to get that off the spoon. Alright. I'm gonna go with my hands. I think we should just leave it somewhere. Near. Got this. Put that. What are you doing? Put more activator in for me, Chili. Tiny bit. That's good. It's working. Should I put more? Tiny bit more? That's good. I think the glitter is going to give it a little more touch. Just a second. Stop putting activator on your hand. You're getting more and more.
Stop! Don't put activator in your hand.
Well, it's easier to get off if you put activator in your hand.
No, it's not. It's easier to get off if you like take it, like knead it. Over your hand. Turn your hand over.
Why don't you just use the spoon?
Oh yeah, use the spoon. Use the spoon and get that off.
Rake.
Ethan,
What?
come. I need some more activator in here.
I'll do it.
No, you're trying to get that off your hands. That's good.
I did it.
Come on.
You pass me a paper towel.
Get her paper towel. Thanks. When you're done wiping that off,
Wow, that works.
give me some more activator when you're done wiping that off.
Dude, it actually works.
Some more. Just off my hands. And then we're gonna try to add some glitter in here.
I thought we were gonna do glitter at the end.
We are, but we gotta.
There we go.
I think I'm gonna have to go back in with the spoon again.
Off. There we go. Now I'm gonna put more activator.
No, not yet.
Putting this
I
more.
need to get this off my hands first. Charlie, stop.
Here, I'll put some on the spoon.
No, don't.
Place the lid on the spoon and it's dumped in.
This takes forever to get off.
Do you want me to just wipe it off?
No,
Just wipe it off.
no, it's a waste of glue.
No, it's fine. Just look.
I need paper towel.
Here.
No, I need a new paper towel.
That and wipe off the spoon.
Give me the spoon now.
Need some activator?
No, not yet. I could go with my hands, but it's so sticky.
Maybe you just need to put tons of activator. There we go. It's getting off the bowl, so it makes.
It's so a little bit stickier.
Then I'll add more activator. Should we add more activator?
Well, the activator is
Technically coming off.
okay. I think we should add some glitter in now.
Yeah. Let's add blue
To make
glitter.
this interesting. You're gonna add the blue and I'll add the purple. Don't add a lot. That's good.
And then mix. Oh, it looks like a cool
Start
slime.
making a cloud.
Should we add some more glitter?
A lot of add some. Charlie, in the pile. That's good.
Oh, both. Should we add more? Should I do it?
No more glitter in. It's more activator.
At the end, we'll put some more glitter.
We should some activator. And
Let's put it over here. Start talking. I'm going to put a little.
okay, now we can go in with my hand. I'm gonna go with my hands. Just clean the spoon off.
Here's a paper towel.
Clean the spoon off.
Wow, that's not that sticky anymore. See? It's off the spoon already. Wait, do we need the contact solution anymore?
Yeah. Tiny bit, I think. That's good. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below your favorite part.
Ooh, shaving cream.